How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
Good, bro.
Good, bro. Chilling. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. Look at all these. Let's go. Let's shred.
Yo, man, legendary moto bro in the building.
Yes, sir. We got the boy Gunna. Let's go. How you doing? Good. Yeah. Hey, you're getting better, I see. Yeah. Why did you just put it on the ground?
Man down, it's not fun.
Again? Alright, that's why I didn't get a KX450, bro. Got a fancy boy. Let's get it. Right. Banshee problems, bro. I don't know exactly what's going on. But yeah, bro, look. We got a blaster. Banshee. Blaster. Banshee, yeah. Banshee. Alright, we got blasters and banshees out here, so let's go. Yeah. Oh, that bit sounds so nasty. That thing really scraping. Yeah. Am I getting it? Yeah, it's crazy. It sounds like a Banshee, bro. That bike literally sounds like a flipping Banshee. That is ridiculous. And he's swerving like he's going back and forth. Actually, it's a big 150. And alright, you already know we got Unk in it, man. We got Unk in it, man. Woo! Yes, sir. Y'all know the vibe. Bro, their tires, bro. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. We got 450 Kenny. He's usually on his LT70. He might have unsubscribed from my channel, but yeah, he's out here. You.
Huh? Don't worry, I got it on GoPro.
Damn. Or just riding? You got on GoPro? Damn.
He went into the bush one time, and then he fell when he was coming back.
Damn, y'all better post it on YouTube.
Yo, I just got here. Hold on.
Woo, yes sir. We out here with the KX 112 two-stroke. Woo, yes sir. Getting it. Bro, the 112s are they're so clean. It's like, say what? Nah, you're good. You're killing it. 3 months? Let's go. Said he's been wheeling 3 months. You got that though. What we got here? What kind of bike you got?
Just a little 125.
125? Chinese?
Yeah.
Let's go. X Pro. Let's see a little wheelie. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's go. That's what we talking about, bro. That's what I started on. My first bike was like a Chinese 125, bro.
My exhaust, the muffler fell off today.
Yeah, I see it has no muffler. Yes, sir. Bro, that Grom is naked, dog. You be shredding, bro. I was like, their Grom's looking a little naked. Yeah. It's still not starting?
No, it's the sensor. I found out what it is.
What? What'd you say? Bro, I don't want that shitty Kawasaki. My bad. Oh, they're all Kawasaki. I'm just gonna leave. Coming through. Let's go. CRC out here. Let's go for a little shred. We're going Grom speed right now. me on the monkey. Yes, sir. Yo, shout out that monkey. Oh, he blew me a kiss, bro. Look at these boys. You got a handbrake, so it's sort of cheating if you're watching this, but you're killing it. Let's go. It's still freaking hard to do all that with the handbrake. He's swerving the little monkey, dog. Yo, shout out the doubles, bro. This is always so crazy. Let's go on that big 636. I haven't even told y'all, but we're at like an abandoned neighborhood that they never built like I used to go to, but this is a different one. And yeah, bro, it's a vibe. Are we going the right way, brother? Yo, he has the idle up and he's just chilling, bro. Yeah, we outside, boy.
We outside, nigga, we outside.
Bro, it's crazy because like everywhere you look, yes sir. Look, we just got random people right here just chilling, bulling. Look at the whole pack coming in, dog. The boy shredded. Everyone outside today. We made it to the pack, bro. Y'all seen him at that lot that's like covered up? I was talking about homie. He's out here shredding. Look at Benchy boys. Benchy boys coming in. Yeah, look at that, bro. He's snapping, dog. He in the rhythm. He riding the wave. Bro, this is a big 450.
Oh, you got any tips?
Yeah, you said you've just been wheeling in 3 months? Yeah. Bro, you're killing it, bro. Like, learning, you know the rear brake? You got that shit, right? Now it's just getting more comfortable with the throttle, sort of moving around.
Gotta be killing it.
Right?